Hello everyone, this is One Man, One Camera. Today is March 14th, about 4 in the afternoon. I'm near downtown Fremont, taking a look at the Circa Hotel due to open up in December 2021. I am just down the street from the Golden Gate Casino and kind of near the Greyhound bus station. As we all know, going to the Greyhound station can be an experience, which I have had on a few occasions. Alright, let's check things out. Now they have added a lot of glass since we've last been down here, and next to the Fremont Street experience I can see they've added some aluminum, I guess it's aluminum or steel railing, siding, whatever you want to call it, as part of the construction of the site. Alright, looking pretty good. As far as I know, the due date to open up is still December 2020. That's this year. That's just about, what is it, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's 9 months away. So if someone had a wild time tonight, the baby might be there just in time for the party. Alright, let's change positions. So I changed positions. I'm standing right in front of the Plaza. Let's check things out. Some activity. Hallelujah for that. Okay. So now, as I was saying earlier, these this steel framing, we'll call that framing, was not there the last time I was here, so it is good to see progress. Now behind the framing there is a crane. Perhaps when I change positions we'll get a better look at it. Alright, and here is a shot of the bridge, not yet completed bridge, from the casino to the garage Mahal parking area, which, as I recall, is to hold 1,400 vehicles. All right. And here's a shot of Garage Mahal. That's coming along quite nicely also. As you can see, the outside of it, or the exterior, does look, you know, pretty good as far as being complete. Here is another angle of Garage Mahal. So right now I'm on the corner of Main and Ogden. Just wanted to get a shot of the backside of the Circa Casino and Hotel, opening in December 2020. Okay, so now we're on Ogden Street. Now, Because of the proximity to the sidewalk behind the Circa, it's very difficult to get some nice shots because it's just too close. Right, but I'll do the best I can, and let's just see what we can see. All right. Okay, this is as wide as my camera will go. All right. Ooh. You know what? I'm going to change to my big zoom lens, and I'm going to change to my big zoom lens and try to get a shot of the operator inside of the crane, all right? Let's see if we can do it. Back in the flash. All right, that's as close as I can get with the zoom lens to the operator. I can't tell on my view screen if I can see him or not, but, you know, take a shot. All right. Let's get a close up of this glass and see how nice it looks. What's pressure on this? And here's a shot of Garage Mahal from Ogden Street. So, like I said, it looks like it's coming right along, and I guess they're building another floor on top of it. 'Cause look at the top of the structure, and I can see some framework being done. So, to me, it looks like either a roof or one more floor. Alright, I spy with my little eye some digital floor numbering 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Hey, I did not see this the last time, so that is nice to see, to help us count how many floors have been, you know, if not completed, have been scheduled. So it looks like it goes 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, perhaps 28 floors. All right, looks good. Okay, and here's the view from Ogden of the Garage Mahal. Now, like I said, it looks like they're adding another floor to it. The shoring on top or the framing on top looks to me like either another floor or some sort of covering, but I suspect it's another floor. All right. I just wanted to zoom in a little bit to see how it looks, but it does look like another floor will be set on top of the Garage Mahal. Okay, so move down to First Street across from the California, and this is a nice view. We get a good shot of a lot of the backside. Not the entirety, but it is a pretty decent shot. You can see a lot of the glass, not a lot, but more of the glass has been installed since our last visit. And the cranes, leastwise, the crane on the left is in service today. They are lifting things up and moving them around. That is always nice to see. What I wonder is, for the windows that have been put up, I wonder how much work has been done on the interior. Man, how I wish I could get inside of this place. I can't see clearly, but I wonder what those yellow things are for as they stick out from the structure. Now that looks like safety netting to me on the side. See the little those black things? Those black nets kind of billowing with the wind. And like I said, it looks like safety netting to protect the workers. Great. Okay, I moved down a little bit down Main. This is Main Street, right? Not Main. What street is this again? I moved down a bit on Ogden just to get a different view of the casinos. Now here's the California, and then we have Ogden Street. Way down there is the Garage Mahal, and then on our left is the Circa. Oh, construction guys. Hang on. Let me zoom in on those guys up there. All right, there we go. All right, everyone, that is just about it for today. I want to thank you all for joining me on this little balance it out. It's a little short video of the Circa's construction update. Okay, like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello and I will say hello back. Take care wherever you are and have a great day.